People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to talk about the incident that went down in Old Harbour where two brothers ended up losing their life. Right, but before I'm going to that, people, understand this. Even though tomorrow, June 1st, officially, that's when enough people ever start go back to work. Understand this. 87s don't take leave. Right? The man they work right through the year. Right? And even though we have the curfew them at night time, you just notice since the nighttime curfew thing come in, a broad daylight shootings like one, right? 87 just adapt to whatever circumstances them have to deal with. So we hear say on Friday RJR reported that 16 people get shot between Thursday and Friday morning. 16 people get shot, 4 fatally. And that's just the corporate area in St. Catherine alone, right? But down in the evening, on the same Friday, and then this is not including the 16, right? The two brothers them. Their names are Sakon Haynes and Shamar Blackwood. They are brothers, right? The Sakon Haynes, here people call him Sakan, right? And Shakar Blackwood, I know a female nickname being Dino, right? So Sakan and Dino, right? And Loop it says Sakon name is Cake Soap, right? But it's always Sakan and Dino here. But anyway, two brothers, people them actually come from out of Jones Avenue side, right? And even on the Observer, the Loop article, it says that they come from out of Spanish Town, right? And move go in all over. We don't know how problems there already. Yeah, man have things. Even if you move out of the place, the man will just come look for you. Right now, people, if you want to see the video, you need to go on politicswatch.com because we upload it to YouTube, Politics Uncut, but YouTube deleted because they must say, boy, it's too grimy. So you have to go to politicswatch.com. The reason why I wanted to go and watch the video after this is because I want you to check out one main thing. I want you to check out somebody, a youth there in a white shirt, a white t-shirt. And I want you to take notice to all this brother. Of course the people them, I said them not do enough to help him, right? Help the two brother them. Man start cuss and throw a word and say, oh, you see only youth and this and only that. And basically he has a problem that enough help is not being done. Enough is not being done to help the youth. But understand this, people. Him stand up there, you know. Him stand up there. Other people are butter with the two youth them, right? All woman. People all woman involved. I try to lift up the two youth them and put them in the back of the police one. And him stand up there and film Chris White shirt and no one drop a red and touch film shirt. But him over there cuss man. Say them to do this and them to do that and he saw the youth stay on one bag of preaching, right? And I know I drop. I know him white shirt still perfectly crispy and white. That's the kind of example you see at these scenes. There's always somebody out there, right, who want to cuss people, so them not do enough to help. I want to do this, I want to do it that way, and him stand up there. Him stand up there, no, right? But him want to be director, like say Hollywood him there. But anyway, people, the preliminary reports are that the youth them come from Jones Avenue, as I say, but them youth are them link with black man, right? And that is black man from out of the Klansman gang. Now, of course, black man did break off and form theme on a thing called Wandan gang. But people, this is where we get to understand. The man them take time and push out all the black man remaining soldier them. Anybody with link with black man, right? They might take time push them out one by one, right? And it seemed like say the original stunt them a black man did pull for take enough man from over Tesha side and bring them over towards Fim side of the gang and say, oh listen, a black man them start say no, people look like say them strategy in our work again. Because remember, you know, people, a cherry tricks black man did use and really split up Klansman, you know. Black man did come under some cherry tricks business when they tell the youth them say, oh listen, Tesha na business boy yo. Tesha na give you nothing. Look how long on our bus come with Tesha and I look at 5,000 him give you. Listen, all at 10,000. And yes, people, the numbers are that small. Don't think say them youth in a clans a shoot man for 150,000 and 300,000 or 400,000. No. We are talking about 110, 15,000. And them kind of money the money might get put in their pocket and I shoot people for. right? But black man did come under some I care about you, unlike Tesha no business boy, me business boy, still more money in your pocket. That was his strategy. But since him that jail, of course, lawyer fees start add up, right? You don't know because he's not in the street with police thing himself, and because Spanish Town already split up, right? So you know, so the revenues them now come in or them come in because the thing that has organized, like one time in Dar Road, so the money not really there like one time. So you know, so the man them when we originally use cherry tricks and get pan for him side, now for them man they either switch back cross or gone to them own thing, or them out in the streets a bata try make ends meet, which make them perfect target for black man's enemies. Because understand this, no people, it's not just Tesha a black man's enemy. You must say you have other people, you have other like crews and organizations in a Spanish Town who just want to get out them man the period, right? Because when you're up on top and you're strong, and you make your enemies them and you can kick down certain man and kick down them man, when you're at your weakest, that's when the enemies them start strike. And that it look like a go black man right now, right? Because from the reports I'm hearing, nobody really sure if a Tesha link all link them did. But to be honest, I doubt a Tesha man them carry out this. Right? Because right now, Tesha is a man where, especially the position he get himself in, him kinda easy back. Right? But the other little groups and people who did want really sink certain man and clans and one done from a long time. Right, but when time they have them full strength and them have them then in the streets or even them in the streets, but them soldiers them still enough, they can't really touch them. But now that's black man, that jail, money a run out, Tesha gone, right? The film soldier them split up all about the place. Now for the man them were still in a Jones Avenue and them little place that we used to say black man. Now for the man that get pushed out one by one. Because them two brother, them actually left the area, right? For me understand the Jones Avenue man them tell them say yo shoot out, right? So them actually left the area, gone to Old Harbour, and you see the man them gone all the way to Old Harbour and go for them. People, they can't really run from certain things in them lifestyle. You cannot, right? Even if you say boy you left the place, if you make the wrong enemy and them sense weakness, because weakness is a key part in them lifestyle and people. What a man want, a man will say listen, you are pirate and you are roll with clans. Or you roll with one done, and right now I have the world the extortion money and I have 1,000 rifle and I wanna lock out the place. And a man really wanna catch you a certain way. But him just easy back. Next thing you know, you're done that jail, money stop running like what you used to run. You know have the same strength you used to have. A man just come for you. Man just come secondly they score with you. So as I say, right now we're not sure who carry out the actual hit on him. Right, the whole thing them with the streets them I confirm is that say listen, yeah, Jones Avenue man them and the man used to link with black man. Who end up send the order, if you go take them on, that is unsure yet. But listen, in time it will all come on. But people they need to go over to politicswatch.com and check out that video. Right. Now before me go any further, let me just say this. The whole curfew thing about the 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock lock off business. People, this is my opinion now. I think at this point the government see an opportunity to use the whole curfew thing as a crime fighting strategy. This is just my opinion now. I don't think this curfew at this point has nothing to do with Big C again. Right? The curfew, Big C has given the government a good opportunity. If you throw on them curfew and say, oh, listen, after 9 o'clock, you can't go up on the road. So if you catch up on the road them more than night, you don't know it go already. Right? The whole Big C and it's to fight Big C, yeah, I don't buy that. Right? That might have been even the original case, but I think the government realized, listen, they've seen a reduction in crime because of the curfew, right? And they're going to use this, they're going to drag this out as long as they possibly can. They're not going to drag this out till even the population and say, oh listen, what going with them curfew? Now for the time being, I don't think the Jamaican public is going to be shedding a lot of tears with this curfew, especially if it can save a couple lives, right? Even if our 5-10 life can spare because of the curfew and 87s can't get moving at night time as easy as them used to. That's obviously, we count everything as a blessing right now. We count every life spared as a blessing right now. However, there's going to be a time when people are going to say, oh listen, I will call this thing quits and this curfew thing have to end. So the government, listen, if it's a strategy when I use for reduce crime, okay, fine, short term, fine, but make sure no say when you can't drag it on forever, I wanna forgot actually go back to doing real police work and real crime fighting, right? Without the help of a national curfew, right? Because that's the thing, when people find a little good thing and try and make it forever, cool, that's fine. But don't bother put real police work and real crime fighting to the side. We still need actual strategies from the government and security forces to deal with crime when this whole big C thing ease off, and it will ease off. Remember now people, remember how long I did predict, so listen, it'll come to a point when I'm gonna say you're going back to work. Remember that video? Remember that video when I said there's going to become a time when government are going to say, listen, when I'm going back at work, the economy have to open up. Or if you don't find a cure and like that, you have to go back at work. Well people, here it is, June 1st. If you find a cure and like that, you have to go back at work. So my subscribers them they already expect that anyway. But people, that's just my opinion still. They might milk this curfew thing, right? But hey, if you can save a life, it save a life. But government, JCF, we still expect something still. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment and share the video. Bless.